Hi, I'm Sandeep Singh with Royal LePage Top Producers, and today we're in Prairie Pointe at 42 Lark Ridge Way. This 1,545 two-story home features 9-foot ceilings, 3 large bedrooms with 2.5 bathrooms, a fully landscaped backyard, and a single attached garage. This home is in absolute show home condition, but enough talk, let's go inside and check it out. And that's it for 42 Lark Ridge Way. Don't forget to check out the 3D virtual tour provided in the description. If you have any other questions about this property, you can call me, Sandeep Singh, with Royal LePage at any time.